Hey, what's up guys, and welcome to today's video. And today I'm showing you how I went from this to this using the styling tips which I learned the other day on my Instagram live with Luke Benson, and I'm going to show you at home how to do the same. But we're getting a bit ahead of ourselves, so let's go back to before I cut my hair. Now, I am lucky enough to be working with Braun, who have sent me out this amazing styling tool. It's the all-in-one trimmer 5 and it's a 9-in-1 styling kit. This all-in-one styling kit will help you tackle any grooming concern which you have, thanks to everything included in the box. This device has an auto-sensing technology which reads your beard up to 13 times per second and adjusts the power of the trimmer to the thickness of your beard. It comes with a Pro Fusion Glide razor to get the most closest and precision of trims, and also boasts 100 minutes of precision trimming time, and all of that in just 1 hour's charge. On top of that, just the icing on the cake, it's fully waterproof for effortless cleaning anywhere. All right guys, so we have set up our little barbershop. We've got the mirror here. Hello. And we have our equipment here. So what I usually get when I go to the barbers is one low fade, and I work my way up. Now, one point I have to make really clear is that the measurements on most household trimmers, especially the Brauns, are different. So your 3 on the Braun clippers stands for 3mm, and what that equals to in barber terms is a 1. And what you do not want to be going in with is a 1, which we have here on your sides, because we will just be shaving everything off, and you do not want to do that. All right guys, so we are starting with the sides because that's the main thing we're going to be focusing on today, and most of us like a fresh fade. But unfortunately we're not professionals, and you know how a barber would normally go in with the shortest and then fade up? We're not going to do that. With Luke Benson, what he advised is that we go with the longer measurement. So I want to be going into like a 2.5. So I'd go to an 11 here, and we're going to start with the longest and work our way up. So what you want to be doing is getting the longest length, and as you come up, you want to go halfway through the forehead, so around here, or where you would like the fade to end, and then flick out. Most important thing to do, not to do, is to follow the head round, because you will give yourself a nice little mohawk look, and you do not want to be doing that. What you want to be doing is following the contours of the trimmer, coming up and then flicking out, coming up, flicking out. Again, I'm going to do it again, coming up, flick out, just pulled out some hairs. But anyway, without further ado, let's see what I can do. You ready? Mm-hmm. Okay. There we go, flicking up, keeping it all in. Nice. That's not too bad. Remember the flicking technique. So with the ears, you just want to pull it down and then bring it up, following the technique of good little trimmer this. You can see the sides starting to come in a little bit. One of the main points that we got across here, you want to keep your head shape a kind of upside down triangle, especially with your hair. You don't want it to be straight up, otherwise that gives you a sort of pineapple look. So the best thing, that flicking out technique is one of the most important things you can do. So this towel did nothing because it came off when I was doing it, but yeah, I don't think that's too bad. I think we should we try the right side now? Alright guys, so now we've done both sides. What do we think? not too bad. So my hair is incredibly wavy and thick, so it may take me a little bit longer than you, but yeah, this isn't looking too bad. I'm really happy with the tips that he's given me, especially with the flick out. I can't stress that enough, what you're going to need to do that. So we're going to go down one increment to a 9 and do exactly the same thing, but slightly lower. So this is the highest little bit here, and we want to slowly blend it in. So if you have shorter hair than me on the sides, you can start at a lower grade and work your way down even shorter. If you do want a skin fade, they have the foil attachment as well. So for example, you would maybe want to start at like a 9 or a 7mm and then work your way down using the 1s, then the 2s, and then going down to a foil. But I'm not gonna give myself a skin fade because I don't go for skin fade, so I'm gonna end on a 3mm, which is a 1. But let's start blending. This is exciting. Down to our next increment, so we're gonna go down to 7mm, which is our number 2. So let's give it a go. So I want to go a bit lower this time. So, oh yeah. I mean, considering this is my first ever attempt doing my hair, I don't think it's too bad. So now we're going down to a 5. Nice. So I think this is turning out pretty good. Now, normally I'll go down to a 1, which is a 3mm on here, but considering how long the top of my hair is, I'm gonna leave it at that. Otherwise it'd be too short. But babe, I think it's your go.
Oh my god.
All right guys, so when it comes to cutting the back of your hair, luckily I've got Domi, which is gonna do it for me. But if you don't have a Domi, the mirror is gonna be your best friend. You're going to want to get 2 mirrors for this. So you want a handheld mirror and a 1 behind you. And you're gonna angle it like so you can see the back of your head. And you're gonna get the trimmer. We're gonna get it at our length. And we're gonna flick up. Just as we were doing the whole side. You've got to learn the ergonomics and go for it. So, the biggest tip here, the back of your head here has a little ridge, has a little bone. What you're going to want to do is hit that point and then flick up, okay? As soon as we get to here, you want to flick up and flick up. So, are you ready?
I'm ready.
Let's do it. All right, you got it. Turn it on.
Alright, this is easy. I can do this with my eyes closed. Don't worry, I'm not actually doing it with my eyes closed.
As you can see, tell them what I did here.
So he was very mushroomy, so he cut this bit way too short in my professional opinion. I have blended it out slightly. We're still working on it, but I blended out using the longer attachment. So I took off the short one, put on the longer attachment, and put it on a 21. And just blending it in slightly because the top of his hair was too long. I don't know what I'm doing. Oh, this is not at all stressful. Not even so.
That's great!
Really?
Oh my god, that is like look at that, guys. Right, so I'm gonna go have a shower now, style this up and make it look presentable, and I'm gonna show you how I do it, and I'm gonna show you how I do my beard. So, let's go. Alright guys, now I've had my shower and I blow dried my hair quickly and I have straightened it because you've seen how curly my hair is, and it needs that just so I can properly style it and get it to look somewhat neat. So now I'm going to show you what I do with my beard and how I style the whole look. So with the trimmer again, we are using the same attachment. This is all on one charge, it's amazing. And we're gonna go in with a 3mm with my beard. So this is a bit shorter than what we went on the bottom of the side. So we actually finished on a 5 for my hair, but for my beard, I always go with a 3mm. And we're just gonna trim all the way around until it's all cut. Alright guys, so wrapping it up, after we've done all of this with the beard, I get some matte clay, because usually that's the only stuff that can keep my hair in check. And then just mix it in my hands like so. Getting into slowly into the position that you want. You're distributing it evenly round. And there we have it, guys. This is the end result from the home haircut. And honestly, I think we did pretty well. I'm pretty pleased with the results. I mean, obviously we are no professionals. I mean, I think Domi thinks she is right now.
I am.
Okay. But yeah, guys, I can't recommend this little styling tool enough. It's absolutely amazing. I was actually using it on my beard for the last 2 weeks, and it's been amazing. It's never felt better. I've only charged it once, and it's great. So if you do want one, check the link in the description, and I can guarantee you won't regret it. But anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I know it's a bit different, but I hope this has helped a few of you at home, because it's definitely helped me. But anyway, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and drop this video a like. And if anything, I'll see you in the next.